Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Confident English Talk. In today's podcast, we are going to learn how to make simple English sentences. Most of the time, what happens? You know English words. You also understand what other people speak in English. But when it's time to respond, you stop. Right? This happens because you don't have clear knowledge of basic English grammar, which is required to make sentences. So in today's podcast, we will learn how to make English sentences easily, and at the end, we will also have a practice session. So make sure you listen till the end. Listen to these sentences carefully. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I study in 10th class. We play cricket. I exercise daily. I read the newspaper. In all these sentences, we are using simple verbs like wake up, brush, study, play, exercise, read. Do you know why? Because these are daily actions, things we do every day. When you talk about habits, routines, or daily work, use simple verbs. Let's practice together. So, if someone asks, "What time do you wake up?" So your answer will be like, "I wake up at 7 o'clock." What do you do after you wake up? I brush my teeth, take a bath, and make breakfast. Do you drink tea or coffee? I drink tea. Simple, right? Now let's see a few more sentences. She wakes up at 7 o'clock. She brushes her teeth. He studies in 10th class. He plays. Here, we have added S, ES, or IES with the verb. Do you know why? Let's learn that now. This part is very important, so listen carefully with I, you, we, they. Use simple verb, but with he, she, it. We change the verb. A person's name is also he or she, so we also add S, ES, or IES with a person's name. Now the question is, when do we use S, ES, or IES? When to add S? If the verb is simple, just add S. Examples: I work. He works. I read. She reads. I drink tea. Anita drinks tea. With most verbs, just add S. Now, when to add ES? If the verb ends with S, SH, CH, X, O, then add ES. Examples: I go. He goes. I watch. She watches. I teach. He teaches. I wash. She washes. I fix. He fixes. Remember, with S, SH, CH, X, O, add ES to the verb. Now, when to add IES? If the verb ends with Y, and before Y there is a consonant, then remove Y and add IES. Examples: I study. He studies. I carry. She carries. I try. He tries. And if the verb ends with Y, but before Y there is a vowel like A, E, I, O, U, then just add S. Examples: I play. He plays. I say. She says. I enjoy. He enjoys. Now listen to these sentences. I am watching a movie. I am reading a newspaper. I am cooking food. These actions are happening right now. When an action is happening at this moment, use am, is, are, plus verb, plus ing. Examples. If someone asks, "What are you doing right now?" you can say, "I am watching a movie." "I am making lunch." "I am doing my office work." "I am walking." Remember, no s, es, ies with ing form. Now, let's do a quick revision. With daily routine, use simple verb. With he, she, it, and any name. Add s, es, or ies with verb. Any action doing now, use am, is, or are, and add ing to the verb. That's it. No heavy grammar, no fear. Now, let's start with practice session. Pause the podcast, choose the correct option, and say the full sentence aloud. I drink or drinks milk every morning. I drink milk every morning. She wake up or wakes up early on weekdays. She wakes up early on weekdays. They is playing or are playing in the park now. They are playing in the park now. He go or goes to work by bus. He goes to work by bus. I am reading or read a book right now. I am reading a book right now. Ria study or studies English daily. Ria studies English daily. We watch or watches TV at night. We watch TV at night. My father fix or fixes the car on Sunday. My father fixes the car on Sunday. I am cooking or cook dinner at the moment. I am cooking dinner at the moment. She carry or carries her lunchbox to office. She carries her lunchbox to office. They do or does their homework in the evening. They do their homework in the evening. Aman plays or plays cricket after school. Aman plays cricket after school. I am waiting or wait for the bus now. I am waiting for the bus now. He teach or teaches math in a school. He teaches math in a school. We are listening or listen to music right now. We are listening to music right now. My sister wash or washes clothes on Saturday. My sister washes clothes on Saturday. I check or checks my message every hour. I check my message every hour. Rahul try or tries to speak English daily. Rahul tries to speak English daily. She is walking or walks in the garden now. She is walking in the garden now. They work or works in the same company. They work in the same company. If you practice these patterns daily, your sentence making will improve automatically. In the next podcast, we'll learn more English grammar tips to help you speak confidently. Let me know in the comment section what you want to learn next. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Confident English Talk.